guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. If there are prices, links, and launch date, I would be linking it on the description box below. I'm inviting you guys to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, happy to share another batch of upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKUs, and launch dates are included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs. Thank you to Foxy LV, Maddie74, Aloha Lux Mama, LV Darren, Brittany LV, Sarbio for sharing these. Happy shopping guys! So let us start with the newest bag of LV, presenting the on-the-go East-West. Price is €2,250. So here we have the SKU. Please take note of the measurement. It's 25 centimeters by 13 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So what do you think of this new on-the-go East-West bag? Then guys, coming November 2023 is the Teddy collection. So here we have the bomb bag and the Speedy 25 bandolier. So this one again is launching November this year. Comes with the shearling material with contrasting Louis Vuitton giant monogram. Then we have orderable August 4th this year. We have the Wine Empreinte collection. Firstly, we have the Neverfull MM. Price is $2,710 USD. So again, Empreinte leather with pouch. What do you think of this wine colorway? Then we have, of course, the Speedy 25 bandolier. Price is $2,710 USD. Classic Speedy 25 design with the Empreinte leather finish with detachable leather strap. What do you think of this Wine Empreinte collection so far, guys? Then we have the Pochette Métis. Again, the Wine Empreinte collection, guys, could already pre-order today. Please contact your CAs. Again, classic Pochette Métis design, gold hardware with detachable leather strap. Then another new collection launching September 1st, 2023. We have the Khaki collection. First one is the On-the-Go PM. It features the giant monogram, bicolor Empreinte leather. It has gold hardware and definitely would have shoulder leather strap. Still on this collection, we have the Neverfull MM. We have the SKU here. For the price, guys, please stand by. So it features giant monogram, bicolor Empreinte leather, gold hardware, shoulder leather strap. Then guys, we have the China exclusive. Firstly, we have the Nano Neon Away. Price is €1,700. We have the SKU here. So this is a denim monogram, rainbow finish, top handle, crossbody strap with vachetta leather trim, launching July 21st. Still part of the China exclusive collection, we have the Speedy. I'm guessing either the 20B or the 25 bandolier, so please stay tuned for the price and SKU. So it features the rainbow giant monogram. It comes in the leather material, top handle with crossbody strap, launching July 21st. Then we have the On-the-Go PM. So again, just stand by for the prices and SKU. Same features, so rainbow giant monogram. I love this colorway. So white leather finish. It has gold hardware, top handle, and shoulder strap. Then we have the Kuzan PM. Again, it features rainbow monogram, leather material, chain strap, canvas crossbody strap. Launch date, July 21st, 2023. Then this one I have featured previously. So we have the square bag for part of the China exclusive. Again, we are going to see the very beautiful rainbow monogram, leather material, top handle with very beautiful gold chain strap. Then guys, let us check out the exotic leather collection. First, we have the mini soft trunk metallic wash off. Guys, just look at the price, 21,000 euros. So we have the SKU here. It features exotic leather, silver hardware with crossbody chain. Then we have the Kipal 45 bandolier in the metallic blue. Price is, wow, 57,000 euro. We have the SKU here. Again, this is exotic leather, silver hardware, comes with bag tag, adjustable shoulder strap. Then we have the very beautiful soft polish on PM in this very beautiful cognac color. Price is 28,000 euro. SKU is here. Again, made of exotic leather, comes with silver hardware, bag tag, and adjustable shoulder strap. Then we have the high-rise bomb bag. So again, please stand by for the price and SKU. So this is a new bomb bag style, monogram canvas, vachetta, and guitar canvas strap. And then guys, we have more from the men's fall winter 2023 collection. All of these would be launching July 13. So first we have the freezer handle soft trunk. So again, freezer bags with LV prints. It also has a top handle, metallic finish. Then this one guys, OMG, so Kipal 25 blown up. Price is 26,000 euro. So I think with the Risi, this is the one entirely made of metal. So I'm guessing this is super heavy. So it features metallic silver finish, top handle with the puffy design. Then we have the mini soft trunk nebula. Price is 3,800 euro. We have the SKU here. It features monogram canvas with the nebula metallic finish with chain crossbody. And then we have the Monso Distorted. Price is 3,100 euro. SKU is here. Again, features the very beautiful epi leather in silver metallic finish, S-lock, top handle, crossbody canvas strap. It also comes in this epi leather in neon green color. Price is 2,950. It features also S-lock. It has a top handle and it also comes with the crossbody canvas strap. So more on the fall winter 2023. So we have the freezer sack plat. Price is 3,200 euro. We have the SKU here. So guys, how are you feeling with this freezer bags of LV? Personally, it's not my style. I would rather get, like, for example, the sack plat in this design. Then we have the Kipal 50 bandolier. This one I like, guys. So it features the gradient electric sun, epi leather finish, comes with bag tag and crossbody strap. Price is 3,900 euro. As you know, epi leather is one of my favorite finishes of LV. Then we have the mini soft trunk multicolor. Price is 3,000 euro. So we have the SKU here. So it features the monogram canvas. It comes with the multicolor design finish and it comes with silver chain link detail. Then we have the zippy wallet vertical in multicolor finish. Again, part of the men's fall winter 2023. Price is €810. It features monogram canvas with multicolor design. Then we have this one I like, Pochette Voyage in multicolor. Price is only €1,130. We have the SKU here. So again, it features monogram canvas with multicolor design. I believe this one you could convert it into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. Then we have the Keepal 50 bandolier in shearling. Price is €9,000. So again, it's a Keepal design with shearling of the entirety of the bag. Comes with bag tag clochette and vachetta crossbody strap. Then we have the very beautiful soft polish on. Price is €3,100. We have the SKU here. It features the Epi leather gradient electric sun finish, slouchy design with top handle and bag tag. Then we have the pocket organizer, €450, and this very beautiful Epi leather gradient electric sun finish. Then we have the Keepal 25 bandolier in multicolor. Price is €2,300. Here is the SKU. It features the monogram canvas with multicolor design, top handle, bag tag, and crossbody, launching July 13, 2023. Then guys, another China exclusive from the Vivian World Traveler collection. So first we have is the cardboard box. Price, please stay tuned. So we have the SKU here. So again, it features the monogram canvas with Vivian design. How do you feel of this new design for this collection? So we have the Clemence notebook. For the Vivian World Traveler China exclusive, we have the SKU here. I'm just praying that this, would not just be a China exclusive, that it would be available for us to purchase, because this is so beautiful. So here are other design from the Vivian World Traveler collection. Among the pieces that we have discussed for today, do you have any favorites that you would be adding to your wish list? Kindly leave a comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!